Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on the Shop app. If you want to make purchases more quickly using the Shop app, you can add a payment method to your Shop Pay account. To get started, firstly open the Shop app. In the address bar, you need to type in shop.app and enter it and you'll get into this homepage. And next is you need to go to your shopping cart. Over here, you can simply continue to check out and after that you can proceed to it and follow the on-screen instruction and then you need to select the payment methods, then tap add payment method. You need to enter your debit or credit card information including the card number, expiration date, card holder name and security code. And if prompted, you need to add or confirm your billing address associated with the card. You need to review the information you have entered to make sure everything is correct, then tap add card. And your payment method will now be securely stored in ShopPay, and that is it. That's how you can add a payment method on the Shop app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.